theme is Science and Technology for the Society on the subtopic Lifestyle for Environment. Today we have seen that our current lifestyle is leading to a depletion in our protective layer, which is the ozone layer. So for sustainable development, we need to change our lifestyles. So on this effect, we have produced a model on ozone layer depletion and its regeneration. So firstly, we get to know what is ozone. Ozone is a molecule that is made up of 3 atoms of oxygen and is considered as an allotrope of oxygen. It is found in the stratosphere, which was formed more than 60 million years ago. In May 1929, Sidney Chapman had proposed the formation of the ozone layer in our atmosphere, which is popularly known as the Chapman cycle. Now we'll get to know about the formation of the ozone layer. Since I already said that ozone layer is present in our stratosphere, so during the absorption of high energy UV radiations or further ultraviolet radiations, the ozone molecule splits and dissociates into 2 individual O atoms. When these oxygen atoms comes in contact with the oxygen molecule, they form ozone or O3. So ozone is a very protective layer which protects us from the harmful ultraviolet radiations. But the major cause for the depletion of the ozone layer is the CFCs, rather chlorofluorocarbons. CFC is present in the atmosphere during the absorption of high energy UV radiations. They dissociate into chlorine radicals or chlorine atoms. When these chlorine atoms or chlorine radicals comes in contact with ozone, they further destroy it.
Thank you, Tiyasha, for giving me the chance to speak today. Now, ozone depletion is a topic which you can find on any article over the internet, in any web series, in any newspaper, all over the world. But ozone regeneration is a comparatively difficult task for humans. In the nature, we have took our inspiration for this model from the lightning sparks, and we can see that when the rain occurs, the lightning creates high voltages of discharge of electricity. Any discharge of electricity will rip apart the oxygen molecules and will make them in individual O atoms. Now, leaving single oxygen atoms in their wake, the spark will split them and will leave them some time to get together and combine. Now, when these two are freely floating in the air, they both can get combined quickly and form O3, that we know as ozone. And it can flow up to the air in the stratosphere where it belongs to be. We can use capacitors like this one here, as we can see, to generate some high voltages of electricity and its discharge like this. So we can use and build these capacitors in some greenhouses, as you can see in the model. For efficient and large amounts, we may use parallel plate capacitors, but to make this model economic, we use cylindrical ones. This discharge of energy is also known as the corona discharge, causing the air around its terminals to get ionized and split them into different atoms. Now, when these are getting combined in the greenhouse, we can see that ozone forms, and the ozone gas, we can leave it apart and we can open the windows or the glass panes of the greenhouse, and it can move up to the stratosphere where it protects us from the harmful ultraviolet radiations of the sun. Thank you.